తాకట్లో ఉన్న బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఆ రోజున మార్కెట్ ధర కట్టి మిగిలిన డబ్బును మీకు అందిస్తుంది కొమ్మూరి గోల్డ్.
You are the first Indian who has Make Us Proud on the international platforms.
Okay.
So, how was it the journey when you go internationally representing India?
Okay.
What was the thoughts goes in your mind?
I should always respect my country, so I want to prefer Indian designer and Indian jeweler. I realize the world is so big. We should not restrict ourselves to
Yes.
small. The world is so big.
Big.
Once you free yourself to the world, then there are a lot of opportunities open up to you.
We were talking about that.
It's
That's
all
more
about the
important.
women power, their ability, their confidence that we can rule the world.
At this point of time, what do you think? Sudha, when word comes Sudha Reddy, ma'am, like as a woman, what now you want?
Internationally, I am promoting and I am tied up with the Longevity Research Center, which increases the life of the humans, and Breast Cancer Research Foundation, and Fight Hunger Foundation, and Global Peace also.
Always, what attracts you most about the fashion?
I realized I am a very artistic person.
Yes.
Yes, I am not a person of numbers.
Yes. Most of the time, people think, oh, she's a professional lady. She's
No,
maintained so
no.
well. She'll not be giving time on the home.
No,
People
no.
have this perception. I think we
I
should
planned
remove
it
that.
in the beginning because I love motherhood. I should enjoy my motherhood
Yes.
totally.
When you met first time, love of your life now, you're obviously your partner.
Yes.
What was the first thing comes to your mind? You still remember or share with him?
He is very encouraging and supportive all the time.
You're a lucky
Passionate,
girl.
yes.
You're a lucky woman, I must say. So, what is the favorite part of your house?
Every part of my house is my favorite, and every member, family member, and the staff who is working for us, they are all my favorite.
So I just wanted this line: women are always given a boundaries. So what do you have to say on that?
If you are capable, no one can give you a boundary.
Yes.
No one can stop.
What message you give every day to yourself?
You be happy, spread happiness, and let the world be peace and healthy.
Well, today my guest is very special. Well, how it is? She's so passionate about her work. Well, she's a fashion icon. She is the first Indian who represented internationally. Well, who's she? Very inspirational woman. Yes, Sudha Reddy. Well, we are at her house. Let's explore more about her, what she's doing nowadays, and what's happening in her life. So let's explore more. Come with me. So we are at her house and we are soon going to meet her, and let's have a great chit chat and detailed chit chat about her future plans, what she's planning, what she's doing, and more about her. So she's the one who always have made us proud internationally. We are proud of you, ma'am. You are a
Very
power.
good
First of all, thank you
afternoon.
so
Please
much.
welcome to my home.
It was a wonderful experience being with you, and I love
My
to be with you. And
pleasure.
thank you so much for giving your time.
My
First
pleasure.
of all, ma'am, you have always made us proud. You're a role model for so many women. I just want to know first, Sudha, ma'am, one name comes into her mind. Who's she? She was always a passionate person. Well, we see you always, whatever you're doing, you're so much into that.
Yes. Before I answer this, I want to ask you a question. What makes you proud about me?
When I see you as a woman, you have been the first lady who have actually make us, going on the big international platform, and the way you carry yourself, the confidence level, the way you carry yourself, that attracts me a lot. And that a lady should, when she walks, people should see, oh, she's a lady with a lot of confidence. So that confidence catch me a lot. Eye-catchy point.
Very good. Okay.
So,
What do you think? How did I got that confidence?
That my question is.
Yes.
And I think this will actually inspire me and as other women also. So
Yes,
that I
for
wanted to know.
Sure, sure. Can we sit and have a
Please,
conversation? or
please,
this-
please, ma'am.
Yeah. Where can we go?
First of all, the welcoming part was very nice.
yeah.
The kind of positivity and the
Yes.
spirituality side of yours
This
is, I
is
can see.
more like a religious,
Yes.
religious and spirituality. Yeah, this is Ganesha,
Yes.
which is like my
The
favorite god and a
entry,
friend.
yes.
And this is Lord Balaji. This
Yes.
was recently gifted to Krishna on his birthday
Okay.
by all the home staff. They're so cute. They give such a beautiful
And
gift.
This education,
And,
we always need that. Her blessings.
goddess Lakshmi, Saraswati, everything. And you can see fresh flowers. We always go for a fresh flowers to bring that positivity.
Yes.
I don't like artificial or plastic
This
things.
is, oh wow, yeah, I can see
Yes,
that. True.
every week we'll have fresh flowers installed at the home.
Because the entry was so much of positivity. I love that. So
Thank
that's,
you so
you have
much.
kept it.
Because you are a positive person, so that you
No,
can see.
I love this. Is God blessings the entry. First you see the God.
Yes.
So it's a
yes.
very good way of maintaining that.
Thank you
I think
so
that
much.
goes to you.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
So come, ma'am.
So let's
We'll-
walk,
yeah.
let's sit relaxedly and have a conversation,
Yeah.
please.
But ma'am, when the white color, the vibration, and I've seen this, most of the icon, this lion.
Yes,
It
yes.
suits your
I will
person-
explain you because
I was just watching
feel
that.
Humans are about everything. It's not just one personality. We have many personalities to show off.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see white as a peace,
Yes.
and the tiger as a wilderness.
Yes.
So
So most of the time you have used in your this.
Yes,
here,
yes, I
in
like
your background the tiger.
Yes, yes. We start the day like a tiger
Yes.
and end the day like a dove.
So this was your favorite place? Like this is your guest area?
This is like party, relaxing, watching movie, all this.
Okay.
Come, let's sit and relax. It's a
So as we were talking about the confidence level, I loved about that, you know.
yes,
So
yes.
you were just talking about from where you got. So I just want to know that. It was I think you're born with that.
I will say you my journey. Confidence is all about we achieve it during the progress of our life. See, as a child, I'm a fulfilled child with a good parents, good grandparents, and I was brought up with a very protective environment and with good morals and ethics.
Okay.
So automatically, I have crossed that standards of confidence level. So I have a very good foundation. So education, coming to the school, I used to go to a very basic school. It was not a luxury school, but the values were taught in a very beautiful way. So every line the teacher used to teach, they are very simple, but it used to go in my mind so well that I don't even feel like to write the exam and get a good score. I just used to come out as an average or above average student, but I'm keen about what I'm learning.
Very good point.
See, we all see the same blackboard, but what I see is different and what you see is different there.
True.
You know?
Yes.
So it's all about that thing. So once I finished my schooling, then I went to college.
Okay.
And I used to feel there, it's a big, huge college where there is undergrad program and 11th and 12th. I used to feel a little tense because I have chosen these biology and geology as my main subject. So there are huge labs and everything. So I thought this is the second level of my education where I have to show and hard work. Here, not about the teaching of the teacher, where I have to put my own effort. Likewise, I learned something different because these 2 years, to be frank, my LKG to the 10th grade is what is the main foundation for me. So it's just a college life and everything. The behavior of the lecturers used to impress me, the behavior of the students, the behavior of the senior students, all these things. And then I has done my microbiology graduation undergrad program. And I think once I finished my second year, I got introduced to Krishna by my dad,
Mm-hmm.
and it was a sudden
Okay.
morning. It was a summer holidays. I was sleeping.
Okay.
He suddenly woke me up and he said, "There is one nice boy. You have to marry him." And then I
So
met to
sweet
Krishna.
girl.
So it all happened like a very sweet story, unplanned story, but a fairy tale. I can say that. So after I married to Krishna, I moved to Hyderabad, and
Earlier,
without
where were you staying? Most of your
I
time,
was
where you
born and brought up in Uyuru. It was in
Okay.
Krishna district,
Okay.
very close
Yeah,
to
yeah, just
Vijayawada. Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
So after that, I moved to Hyderabad. I thought I was a little kid who cannot handle anything, but I could able to handle everything better than any other person who is experienced person.
Great.
So I think that's where my confidence levels keep on growing. Okay, I don't even know how to cook rice by then. But now, if you ask me to cook me a meal for 50 people, I can cook.
Wow.
So I think those are all small things we can easily learn. So then I got the kids. I have two boys, and
Yes.
Krishna has
You
grown up
don't
so
look like, ma'am, the way you have
so Krishna
maintained.
has grown up a lot in his business,
Yes.
and I definitely feel we guide each other for sure.
Mm-hmm.
He encourages me in all what I want to do, and I advise him
That's a very important
at a
point.
very important situation or decision to be taken. But you might ask, do you go to MEIL every day? The answer for that is, I'm not a person, as you said, you can see the tiger and at a time a whole white finish. Because
Yeah.
I'm a person of, I realized with the age, I realized I'm a person of multi personalities. I cannot just portray as a one personality. That won't make me happiness. There are
Okay.
many qualities in me which I have to satisfy all those qualities.
Mm-hmm.
So I realized that. So I thought is MEIL is the right place for me to sit and manage everything. Does it gives me happiness? I thought no. But I have to work for it. I have a good connection with all the employees. I was connected with very few prestigious projects, with CSR projects. I know everything from top to bottom of the MEIL structure and everything, and I discuss with Krishna and all. At a time, you can ask me, whole time you will stay in this big estate. No, even that doesn't make me happy.
You're a free bird, like going around,
Because
enjoying
as I
life.
said, I have multi
You're a life
personalities.
person.
Not only me, I think every person have a many personalities. Because of the circumstances or situations, they don't bring out all those personalities. Because of the responsibilities and all, because either you can be a working woman, you can just be a mother or housewife, just apart from three. I realized if I am just a housewife and bringing up the kids, what is the difference between other women's life? No, I have to try and bring out all my interest out. I should give a shape to them. They should not hidden in me. So I thought, what is the right? I used to question myself a lot, where I used to find answers myself.
That's a very good point that you
So-
ask question yourself.
Yes. At a time, I don't want to compromise on my motherhood because I love kids. I thoroughly want to enjoy bringing them up without the help. I might need the help of nannies,
yes.
but not completely on them. I
That's a
have
very
to
good
feed
point.
them. I want to give them a sleep. I want to take.
That's a very good point because now most of the time people think, oh, she's a professional lady. She's
No,
maintained so
no.
well. She'll not be giving time on the home.
No,
People
no.
have this perception. I think you should
planned
remove
it
that.
in the beginning because I love motherhood. I should enjoy my motherhood
Yes.
totally. Once I grow old or once they grow elder,
Yeah.
I should not have a regret that I could not able
The
to
time
spend
should
when
not be,
they're
yes.
very tiny kids. So
Yes.
from the day they were born, I was like completely. I thoroughly enjoyed.
And they
my
also get
motherhood.
more attached to you by
Yes,
the time
but
they
and
grow.
whether it's a boy or girl, first 10 years is very important. The
Yes.
bondage that they share with us and we share with them is very important. I used to celebrate festivals. I used to get clothes personally, go myself and get clothes for them, then try on them. That all used to give me a lot of joy.
Wow.
So I don't know how those 10 to 12 years passed
Just
because
passed away.
I'm just mother. Apart from mother, I'm nothing.
But ma'am, this point of time, when you met first time, love of your life now, you're obviously your partner.
Yes.
Obviously, every girl, that time you were a shy, you were like obedient girl,
Yes.
following your father or whatever he's saying. But when you first saw him, what was the first thing comes to your mind? You still remember or share with him?
Yes, first thing when I met Krishna, it was like a very, with all the family, his parents, my parents. I don't have anything in mind, but first thing I said to
He
Krishna
was the
is,
first boy of your life. First.
yeah, I have nothing in my mind, any liking, what is my plans, what is the expectations about the boy I'm meeting today. I don't have anything.
Wow.
Because I didn't have a thought of marrying so early. I thought around 23, 24 I can, but it was a sudden shock. So I didn't have any expectations
You
or
just
any
went with the
anxiety
flow.
how the guy is going to be and all.
Oh.
Only tension I had was, am I going to get married so soon?
Oh. But it
So
changed your life. You think it's changed
yes,
your life
yes,
getting
because
married to
so
a after
likewise,
marriage?
Krishna and me spoke for 5 minutes personally.
Oh.
There itself, I completely understood his personality because he said, he asked me, why don't you want to marry now?
Ah.
I said, I am in between of my education because education is very important rather than I have to stand on my own feet. Whatever my dad gives or gives, you give, it doesn't matter. So I have certain goals and aims where I have to. So the only difference is now you are a daughter, then you will be the wife later. But whatever you want to do as a daughter, you can do even as a wife.
Wow.
So he gave me
I
that
think he's a big
assurance.
support pillar for you.
Yes, yes, he is very encouraging and supportive all the time.
So do you think after marriage your life changed?
So
Your dreams come true, what you
he
want to
said,
do?
wherever if you want to study, you can go and study. Not going to stop you.
So after marriage you studied, ma'am?
So
You
yes,
continue?
yes, I finished my third year,
Okay.
and then I shifted to Hyderabad, and I said I am interested to do fashion designing in NIFT.
Yes.
So he joined me himself. It was in Nampalli. In those days, it was a very old branch there. I think Nampalli, Khadis, Bandara, something there used to be. NIFT is a very big institute.
yes,
Fashion.
yes.
Krishna himself came, took me. He fed the pea like a father, and he joined me in the NIFT. Likewise, I studied my fashion
You're a lucky
designing.
girl.
Yeah.
You're a lucky woman, I must say.
So once I finished it, then I have a kids. At the same time, Krishna's business also taken a
Big
growth, like a turn like that. So of course, everyone will go through struggles, but I never thought a struggle is a lesson. A struggle is never a struggle, I think. It won't.
But that was a very good point. The time you got your kids and you were studying, you were just talking about.
I finished
Okay,
my
finish,
NIFT.
and after that you become
After
a mother.
that, yes. After that, I have Pranav and Manas both within a gap of less than 2 years, I
Okay.
think so. So Krishna is also a very caring father. So that is the peakest time of his business.
So yes, then how you balance? Because the biggest time being father also and giving a time for a business also.
I'm
So I think
happy that he is busy with his work a lot.
Okay.
We both got busy at the
Okay.
same phase. His
Okay.
career took a boost at the same time. I have a kids,
Okay.
so I am totally busy,
So
and
you
he
just
is
gave your
totally
time for
busy.
kids.
And evenings we used to spend together with the kids, and like a very. So I have no need to give extra attention or extra time like that. So it's like that.
And I think, ma'am, that's a very good talk you talk about the couple bonding. When you have kids, you know, somewhere or the other, as a couple, you need more of understanding. I think how you people get into that, like sharing responsibilities or
See,
sharing understanding.
We never discussed about what he should share or I should share.
Okay.
Okay. But I know whenever I need, Krishna is always there.
That's a big point.
And the best quality in him is how busy he is. If I make a single call, he'll cancel everything and attend my call till the day, because
should
he
give a
knows.
clap. We should give a clap for
because
him.
he knows unless if it is something emergency
Okay.
or urgent, she won't disturb me or call me.
That's a big point, ma'am.
So that's the confidence that I have. And I used to, because kids are never a responsibility, you know. I felt like I'm growing up with them actually. I
Okay.
became a child. I used to play with them. I used to eat what they eat, those spiceless food and all. So it's like I got two nice toys to play.
You're such a cute baby by heart.
I used to watch cartoons with
Okay.
them. I used to tell stories with to them. And it's like that.
We talk about your fashion journey. You did your education in fashion. Always, what attracts you most about the fashion? It's not about, we always think, okay, you dress up nicely. But the side I explore you, that's a different.
Yes.
Internally also you're fashionable. In your thoughts, you're fashionable.
Yes, exactly.
So-
It's not about fashion designer. I never thought of having as a career, but I realized I'm very artistic person.
Yes.
Yes, I'm not a person of numbers.
Yes.
But if you say me something, if you show me something, for example, if you give me this empty table and ask me to make it so beautiful with all the things available
Anything you
around,
design it.
I can make it stunning. Basically, I thought I am an artistic and very creative person.
Yes.
So once we go to fashion school, it's not just about the clothes, it's about the jewelry, it's about the aesthetics of the house, interiors, fabric, nature. It's about everything, stars, sky, everything comes under fashion and art. So it's a talented person will have an eye. If you look at me, if I enter into any of the shop, not just a clothes or something, any artifact shop or something, my eye, even in how hurry, even on a phone also, my eye directly goes onto the best piece of the shop.
I can see that. You know, that
Yes.
kind of interiors and
Yes.
everything. I mean, it's a huge place, but the small things
Very
I was just
detailing,
watching, they were
yes,
so.
yes, yes.
You have
It
not just
directly-
left it just for
Yes,
an
even though if that beautiful piece is at some corner, my attention directly goes there only.
Yes,
At the
yes.
corner, yeah.
So, what is the favorite part of your house? I know it's a huge house.
Yes.
But where you feel like sometimes you just want to relax, talk to yourself, give time to yourself. Which part of your house is favorite?
Actually, every part of my house is my favorite, and every member, family member, and the staff who is working for us, they are all my favorites.
I can see the positivity and smile.
They're
They're
always
all
happy.
smiling. They feel
Yes,
so
yes.
positive when
They're
man is
all like
coming.
my friends. When Krishna and kids are traveling, they're all like my friends. Okay, I don't need any security. Like my parents are coming and staying with me, or my in-laws are coming and staying with me. They take very. I can open. And one more thing you should know: whenever we travel. And they're like they take complete care of the house. They're like the owners of the house that
True.
they manage everything in a so systematic way.
And you love traveling, right? I
Yes,
think the
I
whole
love
globe you have
traveling.
traveled, or there are some parts still pending, or you wanted really wanted to
Almost I
focus.
covered almost all the globe, but we keep going to the most cool and warm places which is close to our heart. Likewise, Europe is my favorite,
Your
and
favorite,
UK.
okay.
UK is my favorite, so I keep going on and off there. So you asked about the favorite place in my house. So every corner, and I feel every wall in my house has a life.
Really, I agree.
So it has a life. They speak to me, like every tree and every plant, and we have so many pets. You have seen the scope.
Yeah.
Everyone has a human talent, and everything has a life in them. But my favorite is in our main block. There is a big temple in the second floor.
Oh.
That is Lord Balaji temple.
Okay.
So right in front of that, I think if the temple is there, just 10 feet distance, there is a wall. There I like to sit
Okay.
and meditate a lot, looking at the god. And on the top there is a swastik symbol. So I sit under that. There is the god. That is my
Wow.
favorite place. You
Wow,
can say.
that's wonderful.
Yes, yes. I feel there is something energy there, exactly like that spot.
So I think
I can receive that
spirituality
energy.
connection is also, it's not always you fast. What you feel, what is the spirituality according to you? How you follow in your daily life?
I think spirituality, religion are two different things. You know, spirituality, you can see God everywhere and in everyone.
Yes.
So I am a person. I can see only positive thing in any person.
Yes.
Okay, I
I
can't
think you
see
make smile to the
negative.
people. That's
And even I can't see negative. I can't. I didn't even face negative people also in my life. So I can see only positive, and I can see the people spreading positivity. So that is spirituality, I think so. Where
Very
you
good
can see
point.
only the positive angle of the person, and you can see God everywhere.
True.
Spirituality doesn't need any idol or a temple or anything.
True,
So
true.
when you close your eyes, you go into a spiritual mode.
Mode.
You go into your inner self. Even in yourself, you can find a God.
Yes.
Okay, that is spirituality. You can consider me as a 200% spiritual person.
Wow.
And I'm a religious person too.
Very
I
good.
respect all the
You have
religions.
carried the culture in a very
I
grand
respect
way.
all the religions. I visit churches when I'm in London, and I visit mosques when I'm in Dubai, and I make sure I visit my temples when I'm in India. So, a religion is about it's about God.
Mm.
God is present in different forms. Religion will say God is present in different
True.
forms. Spirituality says God is present everywhere.
True.
It doesn't have any shape or anything. So that's the difference.
And
So
ma'am, you are the first Indian who has Make Us Proud on the international platforms.
okay.
So how was it, the journey when you go internationally representing India? What
Okay.
was the thoughts goes in your mind?
So you mean about a Met
Yes,
Gala?
you've been
Yes,
there.
Met Gala was like a I got an invitation to for the Met Gala.
That was a proud
So I
moment.
didn't have any big plans for that about my outfit, what jewelry I should wear. But the theme is American independence that
Okay.
year, so I should follow the theme because I'm going first time.
Hmm.
And I thought I should always respect my country, so I want to prefer Indian designer and Indian jeweler.
Hmm.
So that's the only thought
Everything
I have.
designed by you?
Yes,
Everything picked
every because we hardly have 15 days because
Okay.
that days travel is a
You
problem.
yourself is a fashion designer. So why you need that?
So yeah, I planned everything within 15 days. That day
Oh.
travel is a problem. No one is allowed to travel with me.
Oh.
Travel restrictions, but White House has given me permission to attend the Met Gala. So everything was by me. And once I reached New York, the vibe, I stayed very close to where all the people usually attending the Met Gala stay in the same almost 2-3 hotels. I stayed there. The vibe is totally different. Mm. I realize the world is so big. We should not restrict ourselves to a
Yes.
small. The world is so big.
Big.
Once you free yourself to the world, then there are a lot of opportunities open up to you. And one thing I realized, Met Gala is not about what I'm wearing or what my hairstyle, what is my makeup style or anything. It's all about the confidence,
Yes.
Serena Williams, Rihanna, Gigi Hadid. It's all about the confidence that
We were
it's not-
talking about that.
It's
That's
all
more
about the
important.
women power, their ability, their confidence that we can rule the world.
We can.
They walk with that. Even Serena Williams, she was just standing by my side. So the confidence that she's carrying, same confidence that she will win the match, she
Yes.
carried to the red carpet. So that makes the cameras click, 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 click. And I love New York. People are so warm all the way from the hotel to the red carpet. Small kids, teenagers, elders, everyone, they catch the hoardings and they cheer for us. The one cute thing is when a group of girls, they wrote, "If you love us, please down your car window." So cute. We stopped and downed our window. We waved our hand and we passed. We went to the red carpet.
So you love cinema? You get time to watch movies, enjoy.
Yes, I enjoy, but not in theaters. We have a very good home theater because Krishna
Can we
enjoy.
explore that place where you love and sit? We can talk about something about cinema.
Oh my God, we have such a big. No, don't make me walk. It's almost 15
So
minutes
that's your
walk from.
favorite. Okay.
No, it's
Yeah, I
almost.
think here
a-
also keep.
This is everywhere we have big screens, but we
Okay.
have a specific home theater.
Okay.
It's a 15 minutes walk from here, which
Oh.
is really tough to you and tough to me.
Okay.
So weekends, family, Krishna, kids, and me, we keep watching all the
You
new
love Hindi movies, Bollywood.
It's not about, I'm not that of Hindi person. I don't understand Hindi
Okay.
exactly, but I love watching. My favorite Hindi movies were by Hrithik Roshan
Okay, yeah.
and
Action movie.
yes,
movie.
action movie. I either like super action movie,
Or
like a tiger.
okay,
You can
yeah,
see.
yes.
Or a very romantic and comic movie.
Okay.
That's it. I don't like too much drama and what is this tragic movies, violence and all these violence.
so
and
Telugu movies, that too you'll be.
Telugu music's also, Telugu movies also I keep watching. I love music in Telugu movies. Recently I watched Kushi.
Okay.
The first half is very fun part. We laughed. And every evening, me and Krishna, we watch shows in our room. And every day, if you start some movie or show, we'll watch. Weekdays, we can't watch more than half an hour because
Okay.
he has to sleep early and get up early, and we have our routines. Weekend, we watch something new. Weekdays, we'll choose something and we'll keep watching on whole week. And we'll try to catch the best point, what we learned from that movie.
Wow, that's a
That's
good
the
point.
thing. Yes.
And ma'am,
If boys are here, they will join us to watch the movie with us. And then once we go to sleep, they'll go off to their rooms and all.
so is that very challenging being a mother of teens? Because now they are grown ups. So is it a more challenge to handle
No.
them, or what advice you will give? What is your strategy on that?
Yes, exactly. Even while they are kids, I thoroughly enjoyed with them.
Yes.
Now
This is
I'm
the challenging part. Somewhere you have to become.
no. Now
No.
I am enjoying 3 times more than what when they are kids actually.
Okay.
Because if these kids were brought up so well, the teenage is so interesting to us. Actually, the teenage gave me a lot of boost and energy.
Okay.
So even I hear this. Many
Many
mothers
mothers, yeah.
used to advise me, don't get so attached to the kids. Once they grow to teenage, they hardly visible to you, and all these things. But I used to get,
And the
oh, is it
perception
true?
also there, it's very tough to
And
handle
they
them.
used to say you should have a girl who will be with you all the time and all. I used to think, is it so? No. But as my boys grown, and once if they are in Hyderabad, they don't go out after 7 days. They make sure that Krishna will be at home by after any time after 7, and it's completely family time. And their routine is they wake up so late, around 11:30, because they are on holidays, right? Then they invite one or where they have very few close friends. They invite home. They spend chit chatting on something casual, and then they do gym, and they might go out for a Starbucks or something like that, or McDonald's. They're very childish still, or they will take me for a drive,
Okay.
and they will say, "Mama, this is very good show. Let's watch." So
Okay.
they became like a very good companion to me with lot of energy that I am not liking any other company. So you can't see me, don't feel bad about saying that, you can't see me in kitty parties or playing cards or something, these kind of hobbies, because I literally enjoy their company. They have so much knowledge, right from artificial intelligence to our universe, planets, everything, right from fashion to everything. They advise, Mama, this handbag is so good. Mama, these shoes are
Wow,
newly
there's so
launched.
much involved. That's so.
Newly launched.
By
And they are very
hearing, I feel
simple.
so
They are
good.
not branded or something. They are very simple. They hardly like shoes, I think. So they buy shoes. I will ask them, do you need any fancy car? They say, no, Mama. And they'd like to drive the smallest car in the house.
Wow, that's so simplicity. I
So I never faced any challenges during their teenage. Both of them, after their 12, they went to London. This year, younger one went to London, and elder one went 2 years back. Now he is here for holidays, and London college is very convenient. They will have only 6 months of college, and 6 months they will stay here.
Okay.
So when they are here, they learn work techniques from their dad and all.
So I think the
So-
future they will be planning to join.
Yes, because
the business,
I feel that though they were born with a platinum spoon or a diamond spoon, they should know the value of
value,
money
right, more important.
and the values. So exactly we brought up them like that without much effort. We never planned we should bring our children like that. I think it's our normal personality that went into them and have grown up like
So
that.
as I can feel in your
See,
talk
now
that-
if you are walking with a big bag, they don't mind you asking, ma'am, can I help you to hold your bag? They don't mind that. They'll carry the bag and walk and help you.
Wow, that's so,
They doesn't mind who is in that place. Can we carry their bag or not?
so
No.
helpful.
They're
I love
lying
them. I
there.
would love to meet them.
Yes, no, I don't want to expose them to
future
all
they
this.
will be.
So they hardly click pictures with me because they're scared if I post on Instagram or somewhere.
Of course, they'll be
Yes,
highlighted.
even I don't want them to be in limelight at
Yes.
such an young
Know
age.
your
Still,
own
they
struggle.
achieve something on their own. Still, they achieve something on their own.
So
Not
now-
as my sons are or Krishna's sons or
Yeah,
something.
you don't
Still-
want them like.
No, still they achieve something, then automatically they'll come into limelight. Okay.
So, ma'am, at this point of time, what do you think? Sudha, when word comes, Sudha Reddy, ma'am, like as a woman, what now you want? You did your duties very well. I can feel with your talk, you love your motherhood, you loved your family.
That's what all the confidence I
When-
got. I'm a perfect child. I'm a perfect for my grandparents. I am a grandchild, and I'm a perfect wife, and
Mother.
I'm a perfect mother, and many angles.
Now
I'm a
at this
fashionista,
age, what you're looking
and
like?
I'm into spirituality. I'm into religious, and I can cook what not. You ask me anything.
So next, what
I'm
you want to
into
do? Is something pending in
everything.
your life? You want to get into that? Or you're working on that?
So now I'm more into philanthropy and fashion, and we are supporting many
Yes.
in India. We are supporting underprivileged women and children, basically child education and child health.
I was coming to your
Internationally, I'm promoting and I'm tied up with the Longevity Research Center, which increases the life of the humans, and Breast Cancer Research Foundation, and Fight Hunger Foundation, and Global Peace also. Recently, I was awarded by Oakland Hospital CEO the Global Peace Award.
So, ma'am, what is
So
your daily routine like? If we talk about, as your
my daily
always
routine
you.
is like any other normal woman. It might be like you also. Like, so morning I wake up around. I wake up. 8 is like comfortable time on weekdays. So me and Krishna will be getting all the newspapers. We still prefer reading the paper,
That's
not that internet or
on the
something.
phone. That's
Yes,
a
we
very good
get
interesting
all the
point.
newspapers. So
Okay.
by then Krishna will finish his gym and he come and join me by the time I wake up. So it's 1 hour coffee time, tea time, and we discuss newspapers and everything. And then he will have a shower, breakfast. We get ready and go to office around 10:30 and all. So till then I'll help him. I'll help him with his dresses, with his everything, like a
Involved with
normal.
it, yeah.
Though we have lot of stuff, but I do personally take care of all his work, and then I'll say bye around 10:30. Then I will start my gym, yoga, meditation, and all, and then I start my work. Meanwhile, I'll be on calls to coordinate. Before my gym, I'll be on calls to coordinate the things that has to happen by afternoon or today, and then by afternoon again the calls and mails will go checking on the progress of that. And evening, I'll personally usually interact with the people who I want to meet or meetings or something like that. So by 7, I make sure that I keep myself free for the family available most of the situations. Yes.
So, as the era of social media is like getting more of it, as you said, you don't prefer, you
Yeah.
more prefer reading newspapers.
Yes,
So,
even books.
yeah, even books. That's
Not
very
this
good.
doodle or
So
something.
somewhere now, what is happening? Parents ourselves are on the phone. Kids are on that the same thing.
That's what I want to say. I use technology, but technology can't use me.
That's a big line. Now technology is using us. What
Yes,
I feel,
no.
and somewhere we are as a parent or
See, you make
yeah.
a strict rule. When you are with people, make sure that you are not using
That's
with
not
phone.
happening actually. Now
Why?
people are getting more of addicted.
No, you become like that. If I'm with
Yes.
someone, anyone, either a friend, husband, children, make sure that you are not on phone. And make sure if they are using phone, please, if you are with
So
people,
social
don't
media
use
has
any
attracted you,
technology.
you spend
Don't
time?
use technology. You use it when you are with no one.
Okay.
So that is my rule
So
mostly.
you spend social media, like you spend time on social media connecting with people. How you take this social media in your life?
Social media, I just keep on checking on my Instagram account,
Bas.
and we keep posting. And apart from that,
That's-
I'm not that.
People are more involved personally also
No,
nowadays.
because I
yes.
travel a lot, because I get all information naturally, either about the fashion and
Very
all the
good.
things. Okay, so if you waste your time on this phone or something, where you will get time to spend for your hobbies and the
We are lacking on
enthusiasm
that.
inside
True.
on that. Yes. So my day is divided like that: spending time with the husband, then giving my own time for my exercise, my interaction with the nature, my meditation and all, then giving time for my philanthropic work, then visualizing some beautiful outfits which I have to speak with the designer and think about that, and receiving the calls from the needy people and plan a strategy what best I can do, because all the time money can't help to solve their problems, right?
True.
So we have to plan a strategy for them how to permanently improvise their life on their own.
So what is
And
yeah.
evening my day ends with a nice puja again and a small meditation session at my favorite place.
Yes, you told.
Yeah, and I have a scoop to spend with.
Yes.
I think we have very beautiful things around us to explore. So you should use technology, but never let the technology
Yes,
use you.
make you.
Yes.
So what is the favorite food? Like you love to eat and you love to make for your kids, and they always demand that, Mama, we
Actually, I
want
have
this.
studied the course during microbiology. I have done my food and nutrition also.
Oh,
So I cook very healthy food. I can cook chicken biryani very healthily.
healthy way means
Healthy
like
means it doesn't affect your health because
okay.
biryani is of too many spices and all. But I know
Oil.
appropriate portion to balance that spices what you should add. Where
Okay.
if you eat biryani every day, it doesn't harm you. At a time,
That's a
I can
good
cook
point.
very diet food in a very tasty way, like a spinach pilau or spinach salad or something like that. I can cook almost
one day I
everything.
think we should spend with Sudha ma'am.
And
She
I
should
don't
tell us one.
use. I don't.
We can have biryani every day.
Yes, yes, and fresh food. It's always better because if I am cooking, I want the children to be there at the table waiting for that.
Okay.
Because it has to take right from the stove unserved.
True.
That is a true food.
Great.
You
great.
know, so that's the thing. My kitchen is actually, we're asking what is the best, because everyone might be having a big houses, big home theaters,
Best
big
kitchen.
chandeliers. You can't see the kitchen we have anywhere in India, I think so.
Can we see that?
Yes, definitely they will say you can shoot, but I'm not yes, you
I
can
love,
see.
even kitchen is always a favorite part.
Yes,
So that's something
but
different.
you can't see such a beautiful and huge kitchen.
So how, we are ready to walk as much you can for that kitchen.
I will send with her. She'll help you to show you the kitchen. But next time we'll do one cooking class there. Then you can shoot.
And that healthy biryani, which
Yes,
we can eat
yes,
every
healthy
day.
biryani and all the nice food. I can cook eggs. I can
So
cook.
I think
baked
that one
eggs.
episode.
Yes, we'll do for sure. Yes.
So that's a very
okay.
good point.
Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah.
So you love your kitchen, I think.
I love every part, but I have a very exclusive kitchen because I always used to think when we have such a big house, people don't like to leave space, huge space for kitchen
Yes.
because it is used mostly by the cooks. But even they should feel comfortable, right? They
Yes.
should enjoy the feel of the
Feel of your
home.
home.
They should not feel like they are working in some
Yeah,
the bar
place, yeah,
somewhere,
yeah.
right? They should have the feel of the house.
That's true.
So that's why I used to think I should have a beautiful kitchen then.
So we just wanted, if we can just.
My kitchen is almost as big as this, or
Okay.
more bigger than this. You
So
can think
that's
this
what
whole
I'm saying.
thing.
One veg or non-veg, healthy biryani.
Yes,
Next.
for sure, for sure. Yes,
For your people, so they can also follow the same diet. And,
yes,
And
exactly.
thanks to you. Say
And
thanks
when
to
kids
you.
are here, we used to cook at least once in a week.
Okay.
So even they used to enjoy that. But now as they have gone there, I spend most of the time not in the kitchen but with
Yeah.
them. See, I never involved in kids education, but we used to teach them general stories.
Okay.
From the LKG itself, I never involved. I never made them to sit and write all these things. First, they are below average students. Next, they are average students.
It's
And now
grown.
they are top students. They are completely on their
So
own.
I think we should not pressurize kids. That's a very
No,
good point
and
you
it's,
talk.
it's because I have
We
seen
are- I
most of
think
the
as a
mothers
parent-
get panicked when the kids have an interview or they have an exam.
right.
I noticed that, and from the childhood itself, I thought I should not go into their mess. I should not get my kids into that mess. Let them read whatever they are too comfortable.
So I think
like
what tips you will give as a mother where we are lacking somewhere and you have overcome that point and it's actually benefited you
see,
for you and for your kids also.
just be natural, be yourself. Be yourself. And once in a while, to improvise yourself, look into yourself deeper. If you feel that this quality I should not have this quality. For example, you said you have a habit of spending lot of time on phone. So you owe to yourself, within 1 week I should get rid of this quality. This is not serving my purpose at all.
True.
So likewise, you can improvise yourself.
That's
Okay.
very good point.
Yeah, yeah.
Eye-opening point.
Anything, ego, jealousy, or whatever negative feelings if you have, I think you can easily overcome because they doesn't serve your purpose, right?
Yes.
So why to keep all those greed in you? It harms you a lot.
True. And ma'am, in your interview, I love one thing very much.
Anger, hatred, all these negative
Yes.
things.
And the kind of bonding you have made with your husband, and your husband is taking an initiative with you to be giving more of the time each
yes,
other.
Yes.
Somewhere we all are observing somewhere the connectivity of being a couple is somewhere getting detached, or you know, people are busy in their lives, but you people have made a big mark, have changed so many people's life, motherhood, but at the end of the day you people are together.
Yes.
somewhere don't you think something is missing and that you have actually did it? Like in that interview, I love this point. We spend time with each other. That's a very big point.
Yes.
So that way, I want this message should go. We are seeing around, oh, divorce cases that we
Yes.
talk about.
Yes, yes.
They
I
are
know.
detached. They are in the one home, but things are not so happy.
I know. I can understand
Yes,
what
so
you are
but
saying.
you are into a place where you are giving opportunity to the people. You are also maintaining your status, kids.
Yes.
So that way, I wanted you should, if you can give a
Yes.
tip to a couple,
Yes.
howsoever you're busy.
It's not just about a tip or bondage between the couple. It's
I think
basically
kids also,
human
yeah.
bondage.
Hmm.
You know, if you remember, I met you for one of the events, Shivnarayan.
Yes.
That day you might have think I'm so warm and cool person because I'm completely on that work.
Okay.
And later you called me for an interview date. I just said hi and disconnected the phone and speak to Kushi. You might have thought why she disconnected my
I didn't
phone.
thought that.
You didn't thought
I
that.
thought
And
she
if
must
you
be
notice, no, if you notice, I haven't used my phone. I was very cool with you. See,
Hmm.
I'm like that. If I'm with someone, it doesn't matter whether it's you or whether it's Krishna or it doesn't matter any person. If I am with someone personally,
Hmm.
I will give my 100% to them.
We should
I
be from
don't-
both sides as a couple, from the other party also.
Yes, even Krishna is exactly like
That's
that.
the point. A
See,
couple.
morning he is a businessman. By evening he transforms like a complete, very
Family
innocent
man.
husband, very innocent husband, very playful dad. I like
So what
that end of the day.
tips you would like to give that actually
You
this
just keep
generation
that
needs?
freshness in the relation.
Hmm.
You know, don't keep boring yourself between yourself with the regular wife and husband. We feel more like a friends. I feel Krishna is more like a friend, mentor.
Hmm.
Because you know, wife and husband, typical Indian wife and husband relation is really a boring with the surroundings that we have, with the thoughts that we have, and all. So, from the beginning, we balanced that. I am not like that boring wife. I advise. See, I get knowledge. I discuss very interesting things with him. So, where he feels, as I said, I feel the best company, the best source of knowledge is the kids. Likewise,
Yes.
Krishna. So he's such a businessman. I can't discuss the rubbish things. No, it's a rubbish. It's of waste. It doesn't serve our purpose. We plan very interesting things. We plan very exciting future. I used to say, Krishna, you should never have a retirement, and I should never have
Very
a
good line.
retirement. You know, it is in some movie. Success is not a destination; it's a journey. It's in
Yes.
some one of the good movie. You know, if you remember. So we keep discussing. Exactly, that's true. Why should we retire? I don't know the concept of retirement at the age of 68 or 70.
When you love your
know.
job, when you love your work, I
Enjoy
think.
what you do.
Yeah.
If you enjoy what you are doing, why do you need to retire?
Yes.
Okay, so keep growing. That's the life, and keep helping as much as possible you
For
can
the
to the
society and
others.
your.
So I think the freshness, we should keep the relation fresh. It should not be. If I see Krishna, every day I should feel excited the minute he is entering into the home. At a time, he should look forward what Sudha is going to speak to me about because I'm tired the whole day. Her talk relaxes me a lot. What she is going to speak. So that freshness we should have, I think. So
The talk, the communication, healthy communication.
healthy communication, interesting, fun, just a relaxing,
Wow, that
yeah,
was
and a
wonderful.
pure conversations. Yes,
Not just the sake of talk.
not just the sake
I
of
can see
talk.
you're talking by heart right now.
Yes, and pure conversations. Yes.
I can just see the freshness. We love fresh air. God has given me a big sky.
Yeah.
I don't know when I'm seeing
See
the
the
sky.
view.
No, when I see the sky, I see to you. A lady with no boundaries.
Boundaries.
And I think
beyond
sky
the sky
is not the limit.
Yes,
for
beyond
you.
the yes. Let's go
So,
beyond the sky.
No,
and see-
in that interaction, I discovered as a Sudha ma'am, she's a sky. You can't stop her. Okay, this is your boundary.
No.
So I just wanted this line. Women are always given a boundaries. So what do you have to say on that? Because you have come out of the boundaries and you are been expanding and going out of the boundaries.
If you are capable, no one can give you a boundary.
Yes.
No one can stop you. No
So
one
that
can.
was the one thing.
Yes.
Nobody
if
can
no
stop
one-
you.
No, don't blame others. They stopped me. That is the reason. This is the situation. Everyone, see, human life hardly have 9 or 10 situations, tough situations. Everyone will face them.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you are really talented, no one can stop you. So I'll
Yeah.
just say, don't complain that is the reason or this is the reason.
People
If
keep
you
complaining.
yeah, because it's their incapability. They don't want to accept that. They complain on
And
the
then they
others.
blame others.
Yes, anyone, or anyone they blame. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the reason why, this is the responsibilities I'm holding, so I can't grow beyond this. No, if you
This
are
is wrong.
capable, you can overcome anything and everything
And
in
become
life.
like a sky.
Yes.
So I love the way you have been designed. I think your house is already designed, but this part is more important. A simple greenery nature.
Yes.
You always get connected with the nature. You love to being
Yes,
connected. I can see here.
Yes, yes. Nature is the ultimate gift by God, I think so. I can't live away from the nature. Let's
Okay,
walk.
yeah.
I can't live away from the nature, the colors, the
And the leaves,
greens,
the
the purples.
plantation.
How many colors that nature have? Everything, the sky, the stars,
Hmm.
the clouds, the rain, the water,
Hmm.
the noise that the plants make when the breeze comes. It's everything. Nature has lot.
So,
I think I can't express.
so when you
I'm
were
speechless.
planning about this, what was in your mind? I can see the interior part. What was the
Okay.
first theme you want to give for this?
This area,
This
you
area,
mean?
yeah.
See, not only this area, but every corner of house should
Everybody
have a
has a different theme, I saw.
and
No.
yes, I want every corner of my house to use natural sunlight and natural breeze
Hmm.
properly.
Okay.
Likewise, we have designed the house where you can see sunlight but still can't feel heat
Hmm.
because of the fresh breeze coming in different angles. And wherever possibility, you can see a smaller, bigger plant.
Hmm.
Even here, I want plants. So
Here, lot of
at a
plants
time,
are
we don't
there.
want to waste the terrace area by planting here. So
hmm.
we took to the walls.
Walls.
So likewise,
The
it's
table, I love this.
yeah,
Want to
this
buy
is a
it.
bar kind of thing, bar, little cute
So this
bar.
is a small party. I think you can have it here
This
in
is
the
a yes,
evening.
evenings it's a beautiful place. It has a beautiful view and there is a bar.
Okay,
This is a
good.
Balinese cabana. I want to take you to inside.
We'll
Come.
go inside. Yeah.
Yes, come. And see the view here, beautiful view.
We can see all
So
Hyderabad
if
here.
someone stays in my home, they never feel bored.
They will don't want to leave your home.
They never feel
The
bored because
kind
there are
of
different corners.
It's not about the home, the welcoming part.
See, you
the-
can see from there, it's our house. If you ask us to walk from there to here, it takes a whole day. The gold one, you can see that's the
it.
house.
Okay.
Yeah, that is. And this is the block.
Okay.
Our bedrooms are.
Okay.
And our even kitchen is in this block.
Okay.
And this is the guest block.
No,
So
kitchen
you
I
can-
want to do.
See, from there you can see. So we have to walk all the way, which is
Oh.
really tough. I think next time we should plan with joggers and
Okay, I'll do that.
sneakers. Yeah,
I'm ready for that. But
sneakers. Yeah.
so this is your beautiful design and very wow. We will love this.
You love this? Yes, please take
The
your seat.
traditional feel is there.
Yeah.
Sure.
And the luxury also, you can see if someone want to sit, they relax, want to sit, they relax, they
Yes.
can relax. We can come and read a book here and all. So many. Just you
natural-
can
you don't
spend,
need
you
a
can
fans
just
and
spend
everything.
seeing the art that gives you different thoughts and all.
So here
And if
you love to spend most of your time sometimes. You come and sit here.
No, there are many places,
But
I
this place like
every day I keep moving from that end to this end at least once.
okay.
So, and I have connection with every place.
Okay. So when
We
the
have
rain
a
comes,
gym,
where
we
you
have-
want to go? You
I
love
have so
enjoying
many
rain.
areas. I have outdoor cabanas and
Okay.
I have Moroccan cabana. This is a Balinese cabana. There is a Moroccan cabana. There is a Spanish cabanas.
Okay.
We have the tower also. You can see there.
I know.
That's a tower where we have a dining on the top. We can dine, sit, and all.
Wow.
It's the tallest point in both Hyderabad and Telangana and AP states.
Okay. We should
So-
discover that. You were right. We need to wear now sneakers.
Yeah, that have an elevator. Otherwise, you can't climb. There is a steps also, but it's a tough exercise to climb that with the steps.
I just want not to take me much time.
So someone asked, if you don't build such a big house, how would you have fulfilled your dream? I said then even at least one room, I would have make it like a palace interiors.
That's a good challenge.
Even if it's a one room, from outside it used to look like a palace. Even inside, I used to have that nice luxury bed, like a palatal colors, those green drapes, velvet drapes. Even one room, I would have made like that. And I used to think it's a
So
big.
I think happiness don't lie in big houses. It lies
In
where you feel.
yes, what you feel and what you like. It doesn't matter the size.
That's true.
Yeah.
But the kind of heart and the kind of talk you have, it's a big size, I must say. Very open-minded thoughts and
Yes.
the way the conversation
That's
went.
what we should be close to naturality. That's what gives you true happiness. Don't fake yourself.
Yes.
Because every person is born with some talent and some potential and some attraction.
True.
So try to identify that and bring out. Don't try to imitate someone or don't try to be fake for someone.
True.
See, even now if I meet Telugu people, I don't hesitate. If you are Telugu, I would like to speak Telugu also. So
I
it was
wanted
like
to.
that. If I meet a Telugu people, I make sure that I speak Telugu conversation. I don't feel awkward or don't try to change my accent or something like that, which is our roots. Be natural, be original, don't be a duplicate or a dupe or someone else. So every person, God has created every person with many capabilities. Bring them out, give them time, bring them out.
The culture, the
Yes.
sanskar, I must say the word what we say it.
Yes.
So ma'am, I just wanted to end up by asking you what message you give every day to yourself. When you go for a sleep, any message you give to yourself every day?
You be happy, spread happiness, and let the world be peace and healthy. That's
And
it.
the best compliment you got, which made you learn things and which changed your life. A best compliment of your life. Whomsoever given you.
I got many compliments.
But something common, oh, you're so pretty,
So,
you're so beautiful.
that is
These
quite
are common.
common,
But sometimes
yes.
somebody gives you that compliment that actually makes you change as a person. It
Yeah.
happens?
Yes, even in my school days itself, I was, my school has been done almost 30 years back, where the international fashion is not that accessible in those days. It was not globalized, right? So in those days itself, I was like a very natural kid who used to play in the mud. Even now I play. If you see my feet, you can notice so much mud on my feet.
You play
I hate
kabaddi.
pedicures and manicures. No, I just walk barefoot in the rainy mud and all like that. So you can notice lot of dirt on my
That's a
foot.
very good thing you play
Very
sports.
good. Yeah. No, I just walk without any footwear. I
Okay.
enjoy that.
Okay.
Walking in the mud and splashing my legs in those rainwater, dirty
Okay,
water,
okay,
they say.
okay.
Even now I do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's immunity booster.
Yeah, no, I enjoy that.
You love
I
that.
enjoy that. I think age doesn't bar. In school days, I used to do that. Even now, I do that. So likewise, nothing changed from those days to till my personality haven't changed. In those days itself, one of the school teacher, I think so, has said her smile has lot of depth, which can change the world.
That she told when, what was your age?
I think I am in 8th or 9th grade.
That
I
has
think
actually
so.
right line.
Yes, when we see at her smile, we can feel something peace or something like that.
And you have changed so many lives. That's true. That's the best compliment. I take it.
Yes,
That's the
after
truth.
I have grown and I got recognition and identity, there are many compliments, but I think that's the best thing I think.
And you are trying your best. I'm seeing the contribution you're doing to change the society, the culture, the
And
that
yes.
the purpose when
And
you
our
represent.
philanthropy is not about just giving money, it's just connecting with the people.
That's true.
The connection with the people, the connection, the bondage we develop, and the assurance that we give, okay, I'm there behind you. You please go ahead.
That's a big point.
That's the important
Really,
point.
Sudha ma'am, I had a wonderful day with you. So many interviews I've done, but the way you talk and we see, she's a big personality, she's a owner of crore of rupees, but the heart you have, it's wonderful. The
See, if you
thoughts
don't
you
have
the
values,
thoughts.
money doesn't have value.
That's
I think. See, yeah, money is
The
not
thoughts
value.
are very broad-minded, very nice. It's just not, okay, we are doing the interview, but while talking, I got connected and I really felt, because
Thank you
personally
so
also,
much.
the way
Thank
you
you so
welcome,
much.
the warmness, it was wonderful. I think we should all learn from this. There are people who have their own egos and they are into that.
No,
But
no,
I
no.
think this is
Just
the
detach
quality
from your negative.
people should learn it after watching this.
Negative feelings that doesn't serve any purpose.
Yes.
Just get detached
And people
from
mindset
that.
should get changed. It was
And
a
let's make
mind
the world
changing.
beautiful place.
And I must say, this interview was mind changing. It was
Thank you
changed
so
the
much.
thoughts of people in a positive way.
Positive way.
So
Exactly.
thank you so much, ma'am, doing for this.
Thank you so much. My
and-
pleasure.
And I
Even it
think
was
I would
my
love to
pleasure
meet you
meet-
again and again. I'm already to have that healthy biryani.
Sure, definitely. We'll cook
With
once
that
in
nice
my
chicken.
kitchen. Now she will take you to my kitchen. She will show you my kitchen, and she will also serve you very delicious meal.
But no, that's
No,
not.
please have lunch and go,
We want
please.
you to cook and with
That
your
will
lovely
definitely
kitchen.
do, but you should have a look at the
We'll
kitchen.
do that. We'll do that. Thank you, ma'am. Thank
My
you so much.
pleasure.
It was a wonderful conversation, a wonderful interview. I really enjoyed by heart with a lady, big smile, big heart. None other than Sudha Reddy. For more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.